Todd, the Sales and Marketing Director of Coda Audio. I'm here at the Coda factory looking at the full process from the start to the finished product that you see in the market today. It's important to understand that Coda is engaged in many aspects of the manufacturing process because we want control over the complete picture. We are manufacturing and designing transducers, electronics, enclosures, hardware, the complete process. As an example, you see this pin here. This is part of the ray system, line array system rigging, and in order to make an efficient rigging system that's going to benefit the user, we're even manufacturing down to the fine detail of this pin itself. All of these processes give us two basic things. First of all, we got consistency and control over the quality. It also allows us to manufacture products that other manufacturers would find very difficult to achieve, and that is of great benefit to the end user. The I-Ray is built to a very exacting standard where we created a completely unique and new category of loudspeaker which no other manufacturer has done. And in order to achieve this, we have to start from at the design stage, transducer level, to build completely unique technology into that product rather than sourcing existing third-party products on the market, which in fact all of our competitors have to do, and they're therefore inherently compromised by having to do that, whereas we are not. We can design exactly what we're looking to achieve because we're at the heart of the technology in terms of transducer. And you can see here in the manufacturing process, this product was actually designed specifically for the iRay product.